Hi guys! Looking for a crispy, easy snack that's also healthy? Let's turn freshwater spinach into golden, crunchy perfection. First, place all the cleaned water spinach into a bowl. Add a few spoonfuls of flour, a little chickpea of flour, and 1 egg. Now sprinkle in a pinch of salt and a handful of sesame seeds. Just enough to help the batter stick to the leaves. Mix it all together gently, making sure every leaf is nicely coated. Now it's ready to fry. Just like that, your crispy water spinach fritters are ready. So simple, so tasty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and fry with us again soon.